Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. If you're seeing this video, that means you are interested in a corner enclosure with a sliding action. So here what we have is the Serenity slider in polished chrome hardware. And then of course we have the return panel. On this particular application we use U-channel. We used U-channel on this project as the client wanted the most economical version. Of course, we can also, instead of using U-channel, we can use clamps for a more enhanced frameless look. So right now what you're seeing is the economy version of our corner Serenity slider. And this door is configured to the wall control side on purpose. We can either do it on this side, or we can also have the door center mounted, whichever is your preference. So, door opens up. You got free flow entry. And of course the door itself doesn't protrude into the shower space, hence creating a lot more space in the bathroom. Okay, if you have any questions about this particular design, please give me a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.